Hi, this is Lian Eng from Tok Panjang. Today, I'm just trying out this new feature from Facebook, which is where you can share your screen and record it down on Facebook Live. Okay, so what I'm going to do is the last few days, I have been researching some greeting cards, and I would want to find some greeting cards with the Nonya or Peranakan design. So this is what I have found. Rather than importing some from Malaysia or Singapore and then sell it direct, this is what we can do, and it's extremely flexible. It can be done in Australia and at a very low cost. So this is what I've done is I have added some of the designs that I have found from this site. I will show you the site, how to order and create your own card. I have sort of searched through the site and located some of the designs that are relevant to the Peranakan design and of Penang features, like for example the house, the Peranakan house, the shop front, and nasi lemak, which is all the Peranakan theme. Now, what I've done on this page, and I will keep improving on the explanation part, is print your own Peranakan greeting cards. I should put Peranakan design. So what basically is, it's blank cards, and I always have blank cards on hand. So you can literally, you do not have to use my Peranakan design. You can choose any design on the site. And so what basically is, like, for example, I'm just going to show you one example on how. So for example, I'm going to choose this particular design, which is the Georgetown Quirky Street. I click on this picture, it will direct me to the Redbubble site. And the Redbubble is actually a business in Melbourne. Now, this is what's going to happen. If you have a choice of 100 by 150 millimeter or 125 by 190, and the price will change as you choose the size. Now, this price is Australian USD and is based on per card. Okay, now if you buy any 8, you get 20% off. If you buy 16 and above, you get 30% off. Now, when they say any 16, so that means you can choose 16 cards of various designs. So for example, I would really like, I'm just going to try this. I would really like to choose this card, and I'm going to view card. So I've chosen this card. Now, this is what is being shown to me. Greeting card 1 is $2.45. All right. So if I want to choose 5 of this, it will be $12.40, and the shipping is $3.67 Australian dollars. Right? It's shipped to Australia. Delivery between 12th to 14th February. Or if you want it sooner, it will be more expensive, but it will take roughly a week. Right? Now, if you want some more cards, go back to my page. And for example, I'm going to choose this design, which is the Nonya dish designed, the Peranakan pastels and cherries design. And probably I want a bigger one, which is a little bit more expensive. And I've added to the cart. So I'm going to view cards. Now, if I add 3 more to these, notice that add 3 more. Excuse me. Add 3 more. Okay. It must be the same size for you to entitle to the discount. So for example, I get 8 of these, and we have discounted 100 by 150 by 20%. And for example, if I get 16 of these, and we have discounted 125, 190 by 30%. So this is how you order, and the postage is $6.44. It's actually very, very reasonable for Australian postage. and the checkout is $64.12. So this is GST inclusive, and plus postage is $64.12. So, and you will get it within the next 1 week to 10 days, 10 working days, and that's how it is. And if you want more designed, just go back and flip through the design, and you can choose from anything from, you might also like the flower design, and you can add it to the cart, and you might want to add one more of these and add it to the cart. So, and then view cart. And that's what your order will look like. So it's actually very simple, and it's about $2 to $3 for a blank cart. And it is, when you look at it as an individual cart, it's actually a little bit pricey, some of you may say, but because this is printed on a very hard, good cardboard, and it will come with, I'll let you know how it will come with. This, it will give you, you can do it as a postcard, greeting cards, and a small greeting card. Now, it will be digitally printed card on heavyweight stock. It will be blank in the interior, and each card will come with a craft envelope for mailing or gifting. Right, so I have examples on all these designs, but if you do not want this design, search it and go to the Redbubble site. And I have a disclaimer in here. Instead of selling the cards to you individually, I have created an affiliate account, which means whatever you order through the Redbubble, I get a commission for the referral fee without affecting your prices. All right. So it's the same thing as if I were to order and sell it direct, which I probably will, and then I will pack it as a pack of 10 cards or 6 cards or 12 cards and sell it separately. But in the meantime, this is what I'm doing. Allow you to choose the design yourself, print it, and send it to your home and use it. And it's always great to have blank cards on hand. I use it almost every single couple of weeks. It's for birthdays, it's for Chinese New Year greetings. By the way, they do have Chinese New Year card, but it's a little bit late right now because Chinese New Year is another 10 days to go. And by the time you get the cards and you send it out, you may or may not make it on time. So this is a preparation. Just get any card which has a nice design, keep it at home. I always have Nonya greeting cards on hand, and if I feel like it, I'll send it out as a birthday card, wedding cards, and because it's blank, you can actually write anything you want on there, and it looks nice. All right, so let me know what you think of this feature, and if you have any questions, just write it on the Facebook page. I will keep improving the page, and I will see what questions you may have. All right, thank you, and I'll talk to you soon.